The 12 Days of OpenAI is an ambitious event by OpenAI that began on December 5, 2024, showcasing daily announcements and updates across 12 weekdays. This initiative is designed to highlight OpenAI's most recent advancements in artificial intelligence, providing users with a clear sense of how their technology is evolving to meet the needs of professionals, businesses, and everyday users. This isn't just a marketing event, it's an exploration of the new frontiers of AI. OpenAI uses this opportunity to share tools and features that can transform workflows, inspire creativity, and solve complex problems in real-world contexts. The 12 Days of OpenAI is structured around daily releases, each offering something significant: new products, major updates, and practical use cases. Each day introduces a specific theme or feature, building anticipation for what's next. The name 12 Days of OpenAI is deliberate, borrowing from the festive spirit of year-end celebrations. It symbolizes innovation and progress, engagement and accessibility, and momentum building. For users, the event creates a dynamic experience, ensuring they remain curious and engaged throughout the 12 days. Here are the key confirmed releases so far. The O1 model, a groundbreaking reasoning model unveiled as part of OpenAI's ongoing effort to enhance AI's ability to tackle complex, multi-step problems. Designed to excel in advanced reasoning tasks like mathematics, programming, and business analytics, its chain-of-thought reasoning sets a new benchmark for AI's problem-solving capabilities. ChatGPT Pro subscription tier, a premium offering aimed at professionals and enterprises requiring access to advanced AI features. It includes unlimited access to the O1 model, GPT-4o, and additional enhancements like voice interaction. The announcements during the 12 Days of OpenAI cater to a wide audience, from individual creators to large organizations. The tools and features introduced during this event aim to empower professionals, inspire creativity, and simplify complex tasks. Let's consider a practical example from the event so far. A data scientist could use the O1 model to analyze a complex data set. Instead of manually building models or testing hypotheses, the O1 model provides an end-to-end solution. It identifies trends, offers logical justifications for correlations, and provides actionable insights, saving hours of manual effort. While only partway through the 12 Days event, the emphasis on practical applications and advanced reasoning models like O1 gives a clear sense of OpenAI's direction. These releases point to a future where AI becomes even more integrated into solving real-world challenges, moving beyond simple automation to genuine collaboration with human users. The 12 Days of OpenAI isn't just about introducing tools, it's about shaping the future of how we interact with technology. As the event unfolds, it serves as a reminder of the transformative potential of AI, capable of turning ambitious ideas into reality and solving problems we once thought insurmountable. Building upon the momentum of the 12 Days of OpenAI, one of the most anticipated announcements was the introduction of ChatGPT Pro. Designed as a premium subscription tier, ChatGPT Pro caters to users who need AI-powered tools for complex problem-solving, productivity enhancement, and creative support. Its features were developed to bridge the gap between standard AI capabilities and professional-grade applications. Priced at $200 per month, ChatGPT Pro offers an array of tools that empower users in science, business, education, and creativity. This subscription is not just an upgrade. It represents a redefinition of what AI can achieve in professional settings. The launch of ChatGPT Pro reflects OpenAI's commitment to making its most advanced models accessible to power users. While the standard ChatGPT and Plus subscriptions provide robust functionality, the Pro version addresses the needs of professionals handling complex tasks like research or coding, businesses requiring customized insights for strategic decisions, and creators seeking enhanced tools for writing, storytelling, and design. The goal is to save time, increase accuracy, and amplify creativity in ways that were not possible with prior versions. Key features of ChatGPT Pro include unlimited access to advanced models like GPT-4o and O1, exclusive O1 Pro mode for handling tasks with higher complexity or scale, advanced voice mode for a more natural conversational experience, and enhanced response speed and stability. ChatGPT Pro has far-reaching applications, transforming workflows across industries. For example, in education, a teacher can use ChatGPT Pro to create personalized lesson plans for a mixed-ability classroom. In healthcare, a medical researcher can analyze clinical trial data and draft a research paper. In software development, a developer can debug a machine learning algorithm. And in marketing and advertising, a brand manager can generate ad copy for a new product launch. While ChatGPT Plus, at $20 per month, provides priority access to GPT-4, ChatGPT Pro introduces a suite of tools tailored for high-level use cases. Pro users can utilize GPT-4o and o1, designed for reasoning-intensive and creative tasks, and benefit from enhanced computational power and voice interaction. Let's look at a detailed scenario. A startup founder planning an eco-friendly product line can use ChatGPT Pro to develop a business strategy. The founder asks GPT-4o to identify trends in sustainable products, requests a supply chain model using o1, and drafts and refines a pitch for investors using advanced voice mode. This process demonstrates the holistic capabilities of ChatGPT Pro, where multiple tools work together to deliver actionable insights. The introduction of ChatGPT Pro signals a shift in how professionals interact with AI. By combining reasoning, creativity, and conversational abilities, the Pro subscription enables users to tackle challenges that were once considered beyond the scope of AI. For businesses, Pro helps streamline workflows, improve decision-making, and reduce operational inefficiencies. For individuals, Pro serves as a personal assistant, offering creative ideas, detailed explanations, and support for advanced tasks. ChatGPT Pro represents a leap forward, offering tools that blend speed, precision, and flexibility. It caters to those who see AI not as a replacement, but as a collaborative partner in their journey toward innovation and success. As OpenAI continues to refine its offerings, ChatGPT Pro sets the stage for AI's role in shaping industries, enhancing creativity, and solving complex problems in ways that were previously unimaginable. The announcement of the o1 model during the 12 Days of OpenAI represented a pivotal moment in artificial intelligence. Unlike previous iterations, o1 was engineered with a focus on reasoning capabilities, a critical step toward building AI systems that don't just respond, but actually think through complex problems. The o1 model's ability to approach tasks with chain-of-thought reasoning distinguishes it from its predecessors, making it an invaluable tool for users who require advanced problem-solving in fields like mathematics, science, business analytics, and programming. At its core, the o1 model introduces a significant evolution in how AI processes information. It employs a methodical approach to problem-solving, a step-by-step analysis. The model breaks problems into smaller, logical steps, ensuring no detail is overlooked. For example, in a physics problem, o1 identifies known variables, applies appropriate formulas, and interprets results coherently. Reasoning over speed, prioritizing depth over immediacy, o1 takes additional time to evaluate and refine its answers, which improves accuracy for complex tasks. Versatility across domains, whether it's debugging code, analyzing market trends, or solving differential equations, o1 adapts seamlessly to different contexts. Key features of the o1 model: chain-of-thought reasoning. This feature allows o1 to mimic the way humans think through problems, providing clear and logical pathways from start to finish. For instance, in solving a system of equations, o1 explains each substitution and elimination step, making its process transparent. Adaptability to user needs: o1 customizes its responses based on user feedback, adjusting its reasoning to align with specific requirements. For example, a user asking for a marketing strategy can refine inputs, prompting o1 to focus on either digital or traditional channels. Improved contextual understanding. Unlike older models that occasionally misunderstood nuanced queries, o1 demonstrates an advanced ability to interpret context. For example, a legal professional asking for a summary of a complex contract receives a response tailored to the contract's intent and implications. Examples of o1 in action: advanced mathematics. A researcher needs to calculate eigenvalues of a 4x4 matrix for a project. o1 identifies the matrix structure, applies the determinant formula step by step, provides detailed calculations, and explains eigenvalue significance. Business analytics. A startup founder wants to forecast sales for a new product launch. O1 analyzes historical data and market trends, simulates potential scenarios, and recommends strategies for maximizing ROI, such as targeted advertising or adjusting price points. Programming: a developer encounters a bug in a machine learning model. O1 identifies the bug by reviewing code dependencies, suggests modifications with explanations, and provides alternative solutions such as improving data pre-processing or tweaking hyperparameters. Scientific experimentation: a biologist wants to test a hypothesis about enzyme activity. O1 designs an experiment, recommending control groups and variables, suggests statistical methods for analyzing results, and anticipates challenges with contingency plans. How O1 excels beyond older models. Logical consistency: older models sometimes provided contradictory or incomplete answers. O1 ensures logical consistency by revisiting previous steps during problem solving. Depth of understanding: where previous models relied on surface-level knowledge, O1 delves deeper, providing richer explanations and more comprehensive solutions. Complex multi-step tasks: tasks like financial forecasting or algorithm optimization that require multi-step processes are handled with exceptional clarity by O1. Challenges and limitations: occasional overthinking. While prioritizing accuracy, O1 may spend unnecessary time refining responses for simpler tasks. Dependence on input quality: the model's performance depends heavily on the quality and specificity of user inputs. Abstract creativity: while O1 excels in logical reasoning, it may lag behind older models in tasks requiring abstract or highly creative thinking, such as storytelling or poetry. Why O1 matters? The O1 model represents a significant leap forward, making AI a partner in problem solving rather than just a tool. By enabling logical, step-by-step reasoning, O1 is poised to revolutionize fields such as healthcare, education, and engineering. The O1 model is more than just an upgrade, it's a new paradigm in artificial intelligence. By emphasizing reasoning, adaptability, and depth, O1 transforms how users interact with AI, empowering them to solve problems that were once insurmountable. As we explore further chapters, the impact of O1 on specific industries and its comparison with earlier models will become even clearer. The O1 model stands out as a transformative leap in artificial intelligence. To fully appreciate its capabilities, it's essential to compare it with earlier models like GPT-4. While previous models were highly competent, O1's focus on reasoning, adaptability, and logical coherence addresses the limitations that earlier versions struggled to overcome. This chapter explores the differences between O1 and earlier models, illustrating them through practical examples. Core differences between O1 and previous models. Reasoning capabilities: O1 utilizes chain-of-thought reasoning, breaking complex problems into manageable steps and justifying each step logically. Previous models often provided correct answers but without explaining the process, leaving users unclear about the logic. Depth of understanding: O1 delves deeply into tasks, analyzing context, subtleties, and user intent to provide tailored responses. Previous models tended to offer surface-level responses, lacking the depth needed for intricate or multi-step problems. Task complexity: O1 excels in solving multi-step, reasoning-heavy tasks such as advanced mathematics, algorithm design, and strategic planning. Previous models struggled with maintaining logical consistency over longer or more complex workflows. Adaptability: O1 can adjust its reasoning and focus based on user feedback, tailoring outputs dynamically. Previous models were more rigid, often sticking to generic solutions. Practical comparisons: mathematics calculating the eigenvalues of a 4x4 matrix. O1 breaks down the calculation into detailed steps, explaining each determinant and algebraic manipulation. It provides insights into why these steps are taken, making it educational for the user. Previous models often skipped critical steps or provided a final answer without explanation, risking errors in intermediate calculations. Programming: debugging a Python program with logical errors. O1 analyzes the code, identifies specific errors, explains the root cause, and suggests multiple solutions. For example, it highlights why a recursive function fails for edge cases and provides an iterative alternative. Previous models could identify errors but often failed to explain the underlying logic or suggest nuanced fixes. Business analytics: forecasting sales for a new product. O1 analyzes historical data, considers external factors like market trends, and provides a detailed projection with graphs and scenario analyses. For instance, it explains how a specific demographic shift impacts the forecast and suggests strategies to mitigate risks. Previous models generated generic projections without adapting them to specific industries or external conditions. Scientific research, designing an experiment to test enzyme activity. O1 proposes an experiment, identifies necessary controls, and explains why each variable is critical to the study's success. For example, it recommends appropriate statistical methods for analyzing results and suggests alternative approaches if initial methods fail. Previous models could suggest experiments but often missed key details like control variables or statistical power analysis. Ethical dilemmas, evaluating the ethical implications of deploying AI in a healthcare setting. O1 analyzes the dilemma through multiple ethical frameworks such as utilitarianism and deontology, and provides a balanced recommendation. For instance, it explains the trade-offs between patient privacy and the benefits of AI-driven diagnostics. Previous models offered generic responses without exploring the nuances of ethical decision-making. How O1 solves old limitations, logical inconsistencies. Older models often contradicted themselves in complex workflows. O1 revisits previous steps to ensure logical coherence throughout its reasoning process. Surface-level responses. Where earlier models relied on pre-trained data for answers, O1 constructs its responses dynamically, adapting to the user's input for a deeper level of analysis. Multi-step problems. Tasks that require multiple layers of reasoning, such as solving physics equations or optimizing algorithms, are handled with exceptional clarity by O1. When to use O1 over previous models? Use O1 if the task requires detailed explanations or involves multi-step reasoning. You need context-aware, tailored outputs like research papers or strategic plans. Logical consistency and adaptability are critical. Stick to older models if the task is simple and requires quick responses without extensive reasoning, such as casual conversations or basic data summaries. Creativity is the focus, like writing fictional stories or poetry, where older models sometimes excel in abstract thinking. Real-world impact of O1. The practical differences between O1 and its predecessors are reshaping industries. In education, O1 serves as a personal tutor, teaching students not just answers but the methods behind them. In healthcare, O1 assists doctors by analyzing patient data and identifying subtle trends that might be missed manually. In engineering, complex design challenges are solved with clear, actionable insights, reducing trial and error efforts. While earlier AI models like GPT-4 laid the foundation for conversational and task-oriented AI, the O1 model builds upon that legacy, introducing reasoning capabilities that align more closely with human thought processes. Its ability to tackle complex problems, maintain logical consistency, and adapt dynamically makes it the go-to solution for professionals seeking advanced, context-aware intelligence. The evolution from GPT-4 to O1 isn't just an upgrade, it's a redefinition of what AI can achieve. The O1 model sets itself apart by excelling in areas that demand deep reasoning, logical breakdowns, and multi-step problem-solving. In this chapter, we explore detailed examples of how O1 is applied across industries, showcasing its practical utility and transformational impact. Advanced mathematics, a researcher is solving a multivariable calculus problem involving optimization under constraints. The task is to maximize a function fxy subject to a constraint xyz equals sign 0. O1 identifies the problem as a Lagrange multiplier task, explains the concept of equating gradients, solves the system of equations step by step, and provides the critical points and verifies them. It offers an explanation of why the chosen points represent the maxima or minima. Unlike previous models, O1 explains every calculation, including why specific equations or techniques are chosen. Business analytics. A company is planning to launch a new product in North America and needs to forecast sales. O1 analyzes historical sales data and factors in external variables like market conditions and competitor activity. It generates detailed graphs showing best case, worst case, and average scenarios and recommends actionable strategies for marketing campaigns based on demographic insights. O1 integrates both internal and external data for a tailored analysis, unlike older models which often lacked this level of contextual integration. programming and debugging. A developer is working on a machine learning project but encounters issues with model overfitting. O1 diagnoses the issue by analyzing the code and data set, identifying over-reliance on certain features. It suggests specific fixes such as regularization, dropout layers, or data augmentation, and explains how each suggestion will impact the model's performance. It provides code snippets to implement these fixes. Older models could provide fixes, but often skip the reasoning behind them. O1 ensures the user understands why each change is effective. Scientific research. A biologist is designing an experiment to measure the impact of temperature on enzyme activity. O1 designs an experiment with control and variable groups, ensuring precision in measuring temperature effects. It recommends sample sizes based on statistical power analysis, suggests using ANOVA for data analysis, and explains why it's appropriate. It highlights potential errors such as uncalibrated equipment or contamination, and offers mitigation strategies. Unlike previous models, O1's recommendations go beyond generic advice, tailoring its response to the user's specific needs. Creative problem solving. A small town wants to transition to renewable energy and seeks an efficient system design. O1 suggests a hybrid system combining solar panels, wind turbines, and battery storage, provides cost-benefit analyses for different configurations, identifies government subsidies and tax incentives that can reduce initial investment, and explains potential challenges and offers solutions like smart grids. The solution is both technically and economically detailed, making it actionable for policymakers. Ethical decision-making. A healthcare company is considering the use of AI for patient diagnostics and needs to evaluate ethical implications. O1 evaluates the ethical implications through multiple frameworks such as utilitarianism and deontology, and provides a balanced recommendation. It recommends best practices for data security, including anonymization and encryption, and balances risks with benefits. O1 provides a multi-dimensional analysis, guiding the company toward an informed and ethical decision. Education and tutoring. A high school teacher is preparing a lesson on Newtonian mechanics for students with varying skill levels. O1 develops a 3-part lesson plan, introduces concepts with visual aids and real-world examples, includes interactive experiments, and assigns differentiated tasks. It explains each concept in a clear, age-appropriate way. O1 adapts the lesson plan to different learning levels, ensuring all students can engage with the material. How O1 goes beyond. In these examples, O1 demonstrates its ability to break down complexity, adapt to specific needs, and educate alongside solving. By explaining its process, O1 empowers users to learn and grow. The O1 model is not just a tool, it's a collaborator. From solving high-stakes problems in science and business to assisting educators and developers, O1 brings a new level of intelligence to AI interactions. Its ability to provide actionable insights, detailed explanations, and adaptive solutions makes it a game changer in practical applications.